So in this week's episode we are going to do a lot of DIY. We have a few things coming up at the end of this week that we are preparing for.
We've got a big party for our 2 kids that are graduating, and we're also hosting their classes champagne breakfast, which is a nice little tradition here in Sweden. And then we have Midsummer coming up with dear friends of ours coming over from Canada, and everything getting ready ahead of a summer. Is there ever going to be any rest for us, I wonder?
We'll see. There's a lot to do, but in a few weeks' time we're going to be on a beach having a holiday, and it's going to be awesome.
We have a new gadget, long-awaited new high-pressure washer. Let's see how Carl gets on, if we can get this wall clean.
Let's try. A bit exaggerated, maybe that.
You wish. Okay, first verdict.
It is really nice. I really like, because I don't have very big hands, so that the handle is not that thick, which is really nice, but the pressure is really high, so I really need to push into it. So probably my muscles are going to grow a little bit. Let's hope. I'm going to try to clean this up, put some new plaster on where it needs to be, and also we're going to make this hole here a little bit smaller, because at the moment, as soon as you start a fire there, it just smokes everywhere. So I'm gonna show you the state of it now, and then I'm gonna go get some tools, and then we get started.
Touching me like lightning, keeping it exciting. You know exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. This bed is out of space, just keep painting constellations. You cover me in glitter till I'm shining bright. I never wanna leave the sky. The way you made me feel alive. I was in the dark and baby, you're the light. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Couldn't fight if I wanted, flying to places that I never thought I could go. You're a meteor shower, falling down all over me, yeah, you're making me glow. Couldn't fight if I wanted, flying to places that I never thought I could go. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Yeah, got me up.
So that was kind of a perfect example of not to do things. can't believe it. I didn't plan that thoroughly enough, and it almost completely failed, but I think I managed to save it. I should have probably built like a frame in wood, and I also didn't take off enough from these to calculate for, or to make room for the mortar between. Yeah, but it's there, and it's gonna dry. I've taken away some of the loose plaster, and probably tomorrow I'm going to render it and then plaster it. So we'll see how it goes. But the opening looks quite nice in size. I think it's going to work much better than it did before. So let's hope.